ServiceNow end user, have you ever felt lost searching through endless catalog items for technical or non-technical requests? Well, now the ServiceNow Virtual Agent powered by Now Assist just got smarter and more intuitive with the latest Xanadu Release. Get ready for a smoother, faster way to get things done. We will do a quick hands-on as well to see how with just 15 clicks you can configure a virtual agent that used to take weeks to train the chatbot. I personally remember spending days manually training the virtual agent for a customer with complex catalogs with different verbiage and search terms. Thankfully, that's all in the past. All have been Xanadufied. Let's dive into how this AI feature powers ServiceNow's virtual agent. Hi all, welcome to my channel. My name is Sourav Aneja and I started this channel to share and discuss AI solutions, trends and use cases happening in the corporate and enterprise world. Today's focus is on ServiceNow Virtual Agent and more specifically how Now Assist is powering the virtual agent with its AI-driven features. Now Assist is ServiceNow's generative AI feature available across the Now Cloud. When enabled for virtual agent, it simplifies key functionalities that previously required manual effort. For example, enabling catalog item searches now just take 15 clicks, whereas before, admin has to manually configure the intent of users using NLU models, which required ongoing maintenance and training as well. I personally remember spending hours fine-tuning NLU models for different intents. Thankfully, that's no longer needed with Now Assist. A lot of people often get confused between Now Assist and Virtual Agent. So the Virtual Agent is at the front end. It's a conversational chatbot interface designed to engage directly with users, facilitating interactions like answering questions or automating simple tasks. Whereas Now Assist is ServiceNow's generative AI feature operates at the back end and is embedded across the Now platform, which consists of specific skills tailored for different functionalities. For example, you can assign skills like multi-catalog ordering or Q&A genius results to enhance Virtual Agent with more intuitive, context-driven interactions. With Now Assist, these skills provide real-time recommendations and help across workspaces, making the platform smarter and more responsive to user needs. Let's see how quickly we can configure the Virtual Agent with Now Assist. So after installing Now Assist for Virtual Agent in the conversational interface homepage, click the Get Started button to set up Now Assist for Virtual Agent. A guided setup page will open in a new tab or window covering activities like Now Assist skills, information sources, branding, chat experience, display location, and review. Each section lets you customize the Now Assist experience. Now to begin, let's click Turn on Skills to enable Virtual Agent skills, taking you to the Now Assist admin console. Now let's activate Now Assist here in a genius result. After this is turned on, now let's turn on the Now Assist multi-turn catalog ordering skill. To configure Now Assist for Virtual Agent, click the relevant link in the summary section, returning you to the graduate setup page. On the Information Sources tab, select Knowledge Articles and Catalog Items or stick with the default settings. Continue to the Branding tab to adjust the appearance of Virtual Agent. Remember, Now Assist will replace the default application. In the Chat Experience tab, customize greetings, closings, and fallback messages or use the defaults. Under Display Location, choose where to feature Virtual Agent, on portals, Teams, or mobile. Finally, the Review tab lets you double-check all your configurations. Click the Turn On button to finalize the process. Now, Virtual Agent with Now Assist is up and running. On the conversational interface homepage, you can manage and track its performance. On the Information Sources tab, you specify which catalog items Virtual Agent can order. Now let's see one example of a catalog item. On the standard laptop item, there is a true-false field called Turn Off Now Assist Conversation for this item. It lets admin disable the AI experience for this item in Virtual Agent. On the service portal, now let's check out the multi-turn catalog ordering process. So using Virtual Agent, we'll request a standard laptop with Microsoft Office. You'll see that this skill lets user use natural language to order items and choose options. It even remembers any options mentioned initially. For this item, the options are simple yes or no choices. After answering all the questions, users see a summary. And notice how Virtual Agent didn't ask about Microsoft Office again. It remembered from the initial prompt. And at the summary, users can edit their answers or submit the request. So we have successfully submitted the request. Now let's see what all is in for end users, architects, and admins regarding the Virtual Agent deployment. Virtual Agent is designed to be where you are, whether you're on your desktop or mobile. It's always ready to help because it's built into the Now platform. You can access all the data you need from ServiceNow and help with the request right away. With the Xanadu Release, you can use Virtual Agent across platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, and more. Whether you need to reset a password or check a service request, it's fast, personalized, and easy to use on your favorite platform. Imagine you're chatting with the Virtual Agent about a technical issue, but it turns out to be more complex. The Virtual Agent instantly hands over the conversation to a live agent, transferring chat history and context without you needing to repeat yourself. And thanks to its asynchronous messaging, agents and users can pick up the conversation even after a break. This leads to quicker resolutions, enhanced user experience, and reduced costs by minimizing agent time spent on routine tasks. Virtual Agent can now detect and dynamically translate conversations into the end user's preferred language. Whether you're interacting in English, Spanish, or any other supported language, Virtual Agent ensures smooth communication, making it easier for global teams to access the same high-quality support in their native language. For administrators and architects, setting up virtual agents has never been easier with the Virtual Agent Designer. Like we just configured, and with the drag and drop interface, pre-built templates significantly reduce setup time, allowing for faster deployment. I personally experienced the streamlined setup process. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly easy to implement. Like we just saw, with skills, admins can enable catalog item searches with just a click, making the process much faster and more accurate. If you have a robust knowledge base and service catalog in your instance, then Now Assistant Virtual Agent can surface these items to end users to increase self-service. Admins and architects can now create and fine-tune advanced no-code models. Defining intents and mapping entities to Now platform data is easy, empowering teams to configure NLU models without writing a single line of code. This not only improves the precision of Virtual Agent, but also enhances the user experience with smarter, context-aware interaction. Leverage your existing investment in Virtual Agent by enabling certain topics to function as a conversational IVR for help desk interactions. Like when users call help desk, Virtual Agent handles routine queries like incident request status or password reset using conversational IVR, reserving more complex issues for human agents. This reduces call volumes, freeing up agents to focus on critical tasks, cutting operational costs, and boosting productivity. ServiceNow allows admins and architects to enable multiple virtual agents across different business functions and portals. You can tailor topics for each virtual agent based on specific needs, whether it's for IT, HR, or sales. This flexibility ensures that each portal provides contextually relevant support. Well, that's it for now. Hope this helps. Do let me know your experience with ServiceNow Virtual Agent, whether you have used it as an end user or as an admin. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on AI-powered platforms and tools for enterprise.